Hello, my friends. I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is sky, mind, and consciousness. Once, two disciples had a heated argument. One disciple told others, "You know, I have a secret key to open the sky, and from there you can fulfill your life unlimited." Then the other disciple told the former, "You know, I have a secret key to open the deeper dimension of our mind, and you can get anything by that deeper dimension of mind." And that way the argument was continued. In that meantime, their guru, their master, a great monk, came and told them, "The sky has a limit. Sooner or later, the reality will stop you up there. And mind also has a limit. It is subject to decay in time. Both sky and mind will evaporate in the womb of time. Why you are not seeking their source, the last frontier, the consciousness, from where everything, your mind, the sky, everything is being created? Why you are not seeking for that?" That dialogue has immense meaning. Consciousness is the ultimate frontier. It creates everything. It is immortal. It is inevitable. It is ultimate. So seek for consciousness. The moment you contact the field of higher consciousness, the possibilities of your life enhanced to a maximum degree. Infinite possibilities are there. That's why it is called the field of infinite possibilities. After a certain period of time, but consciousness, the mother of all, is immortal. You must have a understanding with the consciousness. Then you can transcend your mind and contact that field. In our Transcendental consciousness workshops, we just train your mind how to transcend itself and contact that field. For our forthcoming seminars, webinars and workshop, stay tuned with us and subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get all my videos. Namaste.